my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Danielle. I post farmhouse videos, thrift flips, thrift store hauls, just different stuff. So if that's something you're interested, be sure to subscribe, say hello. What is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a rather large farmhouse thrift store haul as well as some estate sale finds. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm just going to start grabbing stuff. I feel like I have a lot of like wood themed pieces in this haul. I got this really nice wood bracket or shelf bracket, or I guess you could call it like a wood corbel, if that's correct. It was $1, so I thought that was a really great price, and I love these for putting on shelves, maybe like a bookend, so I liked that a lot. I found this really cute wood. Is this called a gavelin or a javelin? It was $1.99 at Goodwill. I don't know, I just thought it was cool to set like up maybe on some books or something, and I've never seen one of these anywhere like that before, so grabbed that. I found this adorable little clock. I love that it was like a little mini size, and I really want to take some milk paint to this and distress it. I just have to find a good color. This was $4, but I thought that was a nice price for how cute it is. Lincoln, we don't chew on baskets. Go lay down, boy. And then I grabbed this cool little unfinished wooden box. This was from Goodwill for $2.99, and I'm thinking about redoing it, maybe like adding some cool words on there, I don't know. But I want to put my coffee filters in this, clean it out of course, and then put it by my coffee machine, because right now I just have them kind of thrown in the pantry or the cabinet, and I don't really have a place, so I thought that would be cool. Then I grabbed these two cutting boards. They're exactly the same. They were originally $9.95. I got them for $2.99. They may have been on discount, I don't remember. But just keep in mind, I'm going to probably redo all of these things, so I'm just going to keep saying that. But I got these with a thrift flip in mind, so yeah, I got both of them. And then also from Goodwill, I found this. I thought this was just a good base to kind of take these letters off and then add my own design using my Cricut. This was originally $3.99, but I did get it on sale for $2.99, and I just thought the wood frame was really cool. I like that color, and it was brand new, so. And then I found this really nice cast iron. It does have this little painting on the bottom, which I'm not super into that. I'm pretty sure this was $2.99 as well. Everything was $2.99. Go me. I thought this was cool. I see these at antique stores a lot, and they're of course way more than $2.99. So I'll be using this for decor as well. Isn't everything for decor? It's a decor haul. Next, I found this really cute little like retro kitschy clock at a thrift store. This was $4. I have plugged it in. It does work. However, I think I'm just gonna use it for decor. How many times can I say the word decor? But I think I'm just going to use it on a shelf because I just like the way it looks. Maybe I'll find a way to plug it in. But yeah, I see these on Etsy a lot, and they're not $4, so I thought that was a cool find. And how lovely is this deer print? This is a 1972 print that I found at a thrift store. It was only $1. They had a whole box full of a bunch of repeats, so there was tons of these. But I thought this would look really pretty around Christmas and winter time. I don't know if I'm gonna frame it or just set it up. And then I grabbed another really pretty silver tray with some great patina on it. This one was $1.99 at Goodwill, and I just have it sitting on my kitchen table with that little picture I just redid on top of it, and I just thought it was cool. I liked the details on the edges. So I grabbed this cool piece. I probably should have left this behind because I have other pieces that are similar to it, and really what can you do with this besides display like jugs or florals in it. It was $3.99, but I did like the little wood handle and the galvanized metal, of course. Just super farmhouse, so my spending addiction didn't allow me to leave it behind. But if you have any ideas, let me know. Another wire basket. I actually picked up two of these. They were both $2, and I'm thinking about hanging these on the wall with some greenery hanging out, and I like that you can put like a little label in there. So I thought those were a good find. Got a couple of baskets. Is this wicker? I don't know. But it's kind of like that boho vibe going around. I'm not into the boho vibes. Still gonna stick with the farmhouse or, you know, kind of cottage, shabby chic vibes. But I'm actually gonna use this one for literal storage, and then it just looks nice on the outside. This was at $2.99 at Goodwill, and it's a really decent size. And then this one is so pretty. Isn't this gorgeous? I love this handle. I do wish it was flipped somehow so that I could hang it with some really pretty flowers, greenery draping out, but I can figure out a way to hang it. This one was, hello? $2.99 as well. And I'm surprised I found this because normally the basket section is just ran through and there's just like the basic baskets you see all the time. So I got a big stack of vintage books at an online estate sale / auction. I got the whole stack for $5. So I'll just quickly show you. This is the first stack. I love this green color. Like, aren't those so pretty? And then there's these cool blue ones as well. I just think they're so pretty and I can't wait to arrange them on my bookshelf that I have over here in my living room. For $5 I got all these. That's insane. So now I'm going to move on to the stuff that I picked up at an estate sale I went to this past weekend. I went on Friday, picked up a little box of some stuff, and then we went back on Sunday when everything was 50% off and got more stuff. So I'll start with my favorite piece, and I'll start with the stuff that I got Friday first just so I can kind of remember the prices. But is this not amazing? I love the rustiness, the discoloration. It is super dirty, and I am going to be displaying this inside my home, so I'll have to give it a really good clean. But they had this outside on their back porch. It was only $3, and I love this like faded turquoise color. And then down here we've got some green and rust going on. I just think it's great. If I had a front porch, I would put it out there, but the house we rent just has this like really narrow hallway, so it's going inside. I was so happy to find this. And I found this amazing vintage cookbook. It says copyrighted 1910. I'm not sure if that means that this specific book is from 1910 or what, but I just thought it was really beautiful. And it actually has some really cool recipes on the inside, so maybe I should learn how to cook. So I got this for $4. Then I have this little drawer that has some stuff in it. So I found this really pretty birdhouse for $3. So the man that lived there was a carpenter. He had like a big wood shed, tons of tools and unfinished wood pieces, and tons of birdhouses and signs, and then she would paint them and decorate them. So I can see where she put like puffy paint on here and then painted over it. And it just has some natural distressing going on already. I just thought it was a really cute kind of shabby chic meets farmhouse birdhouse. And then I love this old glass doorknob. I wish I could have these on every door in my home, maybe one day. But it was $3, and I think this is just gonna look really pretty in a display. I got some doilies. These were, I think she just charged me $1 a piece for these. So this one's really pretty. They do have some holes in them, but I think this is called net lacing or lace netting. I'm probably wrong. I'm sure someone will correct me. But this one is really beautiful. And then this one's super delicate. I love this one as well. And then I like these longer ones to hang out of baskets or off shelves. So I loved those. I wish I would have gotten more because they had a huge box of them. And then the last thing I picked up that Friday was this little shelf, or I'm sorry, was this little drawer. It was $6. And I didn't notice till I got home that I'm assuming it was a shadow box because they had a lot of them. I just grabbed the top one. I'm thinking there was like a doll glued here because if you look inside, you'll see that little toy phone, and then there's some keys on the side, as well as this little like cutout from a card, I believe, or just a sticker. And then she had fabric in there. And then they would mount it on the wall like this, I'm assuming. But I'm going to be taking this stuff out. I feel really bad, but I want to display it on a shelf like this with some books or a plant in it or something. I wish I had gotten more. I really should have, because they were there. There was more there when I went back Sunday, and then it would have been $3. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, so I grabbed this one. I think I'm going to leave it this color as well. I'm not going to mess with it and paint it, ruin it. Oh, that is not the last thing I got. I found some spray paints. Whoa. I found some spray paints. I liked this one because I have the celery from Waverly. However, this is a gloss finish, so I thought that was cool. It was $2. And then I grabbed this one because I don't have any white spray paint on hand anymore. However, I got it home and I think it's a brown color. It was 50 cents though, so I'm not mad at it. And then the last two things I got that Friday were some of these wood pieces he had cut up. I got this one with a little point on it, and then I want to make like a sign with our last name on this using my Cricut for like some stencils. And then Sunday when I went back, I got another wood piece. The wood was $1 a piece, so this one was 50 cents on Sunday, and this one's much bigger. I got a bunch of painter sticks because I have this vision in my head that I want to make myself a spice rack, and I want it to look a certain way. I'm going to use these to do so. Hopefully it works out. I have no idea how much those were. And then I got a bunch of these little trim pieces. I like the details on these. I'll probably just use these as decor. And then these cool kind of octagon shaped ones. Is that what this is? Hectagon? And then just these regular unfinished wood pieces that I was going to use as the ends of my shelf. I also had a bunch of these kind of banister tops, so I grabbed one. I want to paint it and distress it. There is sawdust everywhere. I loved this. I have an idea to redo this for some mail because my husband grabs the mail, whether it's important or not, throws it on the table, leaves it there for weeks, and then I'll throw it away, not thinking, you know, because it's addressed to him, and I'm like, well, obviously it's not important, so I'll throw it away, and then he comes to me, where's that mail that was here, freaking out. So this is going to be his designated mailbox once I give it a nice makeover. This was $1, so I got it for 50 cents. And then the last three items, I got a rolling pin. I do not own a rolling pin. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use it or just paint it and then use it as decor in the kitchen. It was originally $6, so I got it for $3. And normally I see these at the Goodwill or thrift stores for about $5 to $7. So I thought I might as well get one while it's cheap. And then I found these adorable little jars. This one was originally $4, so I got it for $2. I just loved the shape. And then this is an old ink container. It was $5, so I paid $2.50 for it. It says Carter's Ink Products. And it still has some stuff inside. It says gold ink, and you can kind of see, let me see if I can. You can kind of see the gold in there. But I'm definitely going to try to clean that out. But those are really cute. So yeah, that's everything I have for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below what your favorite item was, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.